In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock elements together in Canva, a crucial skill for anyone looking to streamline their design process and maintain the integrity of their creative layouts. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll need to head over to canva.com and sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the web page. Whether you prefer to use Google, Facebook, or your email, Canva provides a couple of flexible options to suit your preference and have you come into your creative zone in no time. Once you're logged in, it's time to create some magic. Open Canva and either start with a fresh design or navigate to an existing project that you want to work on. This platform offers an intuitive interface that is excellent whether you're working on a flyer, presentation, social media post, or any other design you can dream up. Imagine your design already taking shape as we continue with this tutorial. Now that your design is open, focus on the element you want to lock. Simply click on it. If you have multiple elements that you want to move as a single unit, don't worry, Canva has got you covered. Tap and hold on to one element until a menu appears. This is where you'll find the Select Multiple option, allowing you to select every element you desire in one smooth action. With your elements selected, consider grouping them. You can do this by clicking on the group icon, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+G if you're on Windows or CMD+G on a Mac. Grouping elements creates a single unit, simplifying the process of moving them in unison across your canvas. Once grouped, you can take it a step further and lock these elements. Look for the familiar padlock icon in the toolbar. Once you click it, your elements are locked. The beauty of this feature is that it prevents these elements from being accidentally moved, resized, or edited, ensuring your design remains intact. In some instances, you may only wish to lock the position of these elements while still allowing for edits, like changing the text or background photo. In the toolbar, if the lock position only option is available, go ahead and select it. This offers the perfect blend of flexibility and control. Should you need to modify your locked elements in the future, simply select the element and click the padlock icon again. This will unlock it, allowing for full access once more. These steps unlock a whole new level of creative freedom, helping you save time and keep your designs organized. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing with Canva.